Okay, let's work with Laravel Collective. Laravel Collective is a powerful, basically a package for Laravel which handles our forms and many other things, right? So if we come to dashboard and then come to our assets, so we will simply, we don't need, because we are using Laravel, so we will try to use less markup, less, basically as a progress series we will use Laravel Collective inside our forms. So here we don't use the link, we will use the Laravel Collective components, right? For example, HTML style, and then simply you will need to cut this link from here and paste it here, right? So I'll do all of them like that. Style sheets are done. HTML colons style, and then the location of the style, for example, which is inside our public assets, CSS, and or CSS files, fonts, and all the other stuff, right? So we will not use the as traditional CSS markup for link, right? And as always, for script we will use the same HTML and then script, and then you will simply need to cut this from here and paste, and then duplicate this and also cut this from here and then paste, right? Cut this, and let's check the application, how is it working, right? So if I refresh this, oh whoops, HTML, oh yeah, sorry, we did a big mistake. Basically it's for you, it's a surprise for you. Why it's not working? Because Laravel Collective is not installed by default on our PHP application. Okay, the codes are fine, the codes are working, the codes are fine, but we need to install the Laravel Collective, right? So how we can do it? So simply, if we go to documentation and the installation, and simply we need to run the command. If I go again, HTML forms installation, and this is the command, right? So if I come to my PHP storm on the command line and then paste the command, it will just take a few moments to install. Okay, Laravel Collective is successfully installed. So let's check. Well, this works. I think it still not works because we need to register the providers and aliases for that, right? So it's saying that you need to go to config app.php and then paste this inside providers array and aliases for that, right? So if I go and open my app.php file inside config and then come back down, just paste this here, right? And then you will need to copy these aliases and paste them inside aliases array, right? There we go. Save and reload the page. This is now working completely fine, right? So this was the Laravel Collective. We have set up Laravel Collective. In the next video we will be setting our master layout, right? So see you in the next video.